I was about to marry the love of my life. But on our wedding day, she didn't show up. No calls, no goodbye, just gone. Years passed. I moved on. I got engaged. Then I saw her sister at the hospital. She broke down crying and said, "Tund, Amaka didn't leave you because she stopped loving you. She left because she was dying. Now she's in a hospital, with just days left. I'm getting married in 2 months. But part of me still belongs to her. Should I go and see her before she dies? Please, this is love that he couldn't bury. And what he needs now is your advice. Rush to my YouTube channel, Emma Storyscape, to watch the full dying story. Don't miss the truth that broke him all over again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please, most importantly, comment. Because that's what he needs right now. Your advice.